In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on your PC or laptop. It's basically the same, of course, on Windows. So let me just go here and open this app so you can know an example or see whatever picture I take. So if I want to take a screenshot of the whole PC, normally you should have like a button for that in your keyboard. If you don't have it by any chance, you can use something very cool, which is Windows. Press the Windows plus Shift plus S. Once you do so, it will give you an example, like a screen shotting option. It's like the light shots application, where you will be able to take a screenshot of the whole screen, or you can choose an example, the whole window, or rectangle, or full screen, or even a free form. It's totally up to you. So if you choose freeform, you can just go and choose this area. And if I go here, an example, and paste it, so you'll not be able to see it because it's white anyway. Let me just go and take a screenshot of my other screen of OBS, an example. So I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to take like this screenshot. So as you can see, I just took this screenshot. If I want, I can go and choose, instead of free, rectangular. So which will take, as an example, screenshots. I'm just going to take screenshots of the colors. And here we are. Of course, I can always take a screenshot of, as you can see, a window, specific window. An example, I'm taking screenshots of this window, and here is it. I can take a screenshot also of the full screen. An example, Windows Shift S, and full screen. If you have multiple like screens, you will be able to take a screenshot of that as well. So let me just make it a little bit smaller, and even this smaller a little bit, so you'll be able to see it. And here we are. As you can see, both of my screens. If you have multiple screens, it will all be in the same screen. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.